Welcome to this lesson of scientific thinking and processes. Like all science, biology is a process of inquiry. As scientists make careful and systematic observations. Scientists record observations as data. Scientists form a hypothesis as possible answer to a question. Then scientists test their hypothesis and analyze their data. So, how scientists work? They are observing, forming hypotheses, testing hypotheses, analyzing data, then evaluating results. So, biologists use experiments to test hypotheses. How can they use experiments? They use observational studies that allow scientists to describe a phenomenon. Like this scientist, he observed a gorilla and started to drawing it and describing it in the same time. So, experiments allow scientists to determine what causes a phenomenon. Experimental studies allow scientists to determine what causes a phenomenon. Independent variables are manipulated. Dependent variables are observed and measured. So, the independent variable affect the dependent variable. And the constant, which are the conditions that are kept in the without change. A theory explains a wide range of observation. Theories explain a wide range of observation and experimental results. A theory is supported by a wide range of scientific evidences. Theories can change based on new evidences. Essential question: what is the different element of scientific inquiry? Can you tell an answer? Observation, putting question, collecting data, analyzing data, then final result or theory. So, what's the difference between hypothesis and theory? Hypothesis is unconfirmed observations, but theory is a sum of work that come after many observations which are collected and compared to give a theory. So, what are the biologist's tools and technology? Microscopes are the most important tool for biologists. What are the types of microscope? Microscope have two main types: the light microscope and electron microscope. The light microscope, it magnifies object to more than 1,500 times of their size. Biologist tool and technology. The second type of microscope is electron microscope. It magnifies things to more than 100,000 times of their actual size. It depends on an electron beam that magnifies objects. There are two types of electronic microscope. The electronic microscope, scanning electronic microscope, and transmissional electronic microscope. Scanning electronic microscope scans the surface of a specimen, but the transmission electron microscope, it transmits electrons through a thin slice of a specimen. It does not go inside. Goodbye.